We're in Gallop House, or at the foot of Gallop House in Perth, Western Australia. The Gallop House was built around the 1870s, and there's a team of us from Heritage Detection Australia who are doing a metal detecting survey to assist the students from University of WA doing the field school. So we're doing a survey which will locate all the ferrous and non-ferrous metal artefacts, and that should provide us then with information about where to place excavations. Let's meet the team. This is Zach Shepherd, archaeologist, archaeo detectorist. Tell us what you're doing, Zach.
G'day, so I'm just running the metal detector, the CTX 3030, and I'm just picking up all the targets.
And this is Jeff Royce.
I've got a Trimble S6 robotic, and I'm picking up all the stations as they're located.
Yep.
So we have the ferrous number, conductivity, the depth. So we've determined that this is non-ferrous, the artefact number 14, and whether we've retrieved it. We don't need any comments or target description because we're not digging the target.
Yeah, I've got a GPS in the car. Yeah, I suppose.
Now you've done that, you know what it is, we need to find out exactly where it is. So we have a little trigger, a little cheat button.
Yeah.
So when the pitch is at the highest, and that becomes red, you move directly over it. So you can move your car out of the way. Tip of the boot.
We're going to do a metal detecting survey inside the square on the right hand side. We've got all these metal objects here, shovels and everything like that, which interfere with the metal detector. So all that gear actually needs to be moved about 2 metres away from where we're doing the survey. (010516). And we did this old house site, and we did a metal detecting survey, and there were the big lines of targets, and what it was all the nails in the floorboards, and when they burnt the old place down, all the nails just dropped in lines along from out of the floors. It was really cool. Okay, well, there's multiple targets there all over the place, all sorts of different numbers, and you can hear them. So I'll just have to come in from one side and try and differentiate all the different numbers. The other thing we can do is actually put a small coil on, because the big coil might pick up 3 or 4 targets at once, but if you put a little coil over that's about that big, you put it on and you can identify really close targets without interference from the other one. You can see they've got a really big signal here. It's picking it up at that sort of depth. And the numbers are 35, 45, so it's a big ferrous artefact. We have metal detected an area of 15 metres by 15 metres, and we've detected inside more than 500 targets. There's several clusters of targets, and there's 3 large metal objects, which may be sheets of corrugated iron or something similar like that. So we'll take the information back, and Jeff's going to put it through a GIS, and we'll be able to have a look at a printout of the spread of the artefacts, and then we'll be able to give Sven and Tom that information, and they can make some decisions about where they want to put their trenches in the future. So we've done a fairly big day today. We've probably done 650 targets all up in 2 different areas. So we've covered a lot of ground. Looks interesting, and a lot of the signals have really low ferrous numbers, which means they could be quite corroded, so they could be old, they could be contemporary to the time of the Gallop House. Some of the signals are probably modern pull tabs, those sorts of things, but until we've interpreted the data and maybe done a few test bits, we can't really tell. If you just looked at this area without doing a metal detecting survey, you wouldn't have any idea of what metal was present, but as you can see, there's a fair bit.